Let me bring back in federal attorney Kelly Hyman just to continue this conversation and what we can expect today. You know, Kelly, day two was huge. It focused on all that surveillance video, a fight over a letter that prosecutors say shows motive for Tyler Robinson. So far, what has stood out to you the most?
The DNA evidence, that is definitely key to this case because it's important to remember that the prosecution brought the case and they have the burden and they have to show a link between the defendant and the weapon because that's really going to be key for them. And the fact that you had someone testify about the DNA, and you know it's really important because the defense has been saying that they are going to have at least two people who are forensic experts testify about the DNA. That is going to be crucial in this case.
Yeah, and we've seen the defense, you know, their strategy of just objecting witness by witness by witness. What exactly is their game plan this week, and what do you think their most desired and realistic outcome might be here?
Well, there's two courts. There's what's actually going on in the courtroom, but there's also the court of public opinion. So we think that's really important to remember because ultimately, if this case does go to trial, there's going to be 12 juries that are going to sit and listen to the evidence. So not only are they playing to the judge to preserve the objections to make sure if in fact that's preserved, but also to the court of public opinion to show that they believe that something's wrong with the evidence and they have objections. Now, it's important to remember that this is a preliminary hearing. So in regards to the evidence, hearsay evidence, which is normally not permitted in a trial, is permitted in this case. So you can see definitely a fight if this case goes to trial about certain evidence going in because the fact of the hearsay objection.
Yeah, and I know that the defense did get, you know, one video compilation at least partially thrown out because the prosecutors admitted it had been edited, it had been enhanced. How big of an admission was that from prosecutors? And is that some sort of a preview for more authentication, you know, fights and discrepancies to come?
That's definitely a good point. There definitely going to be, if this case goes to trial, a lot of fights about the evidence because the evidence is key and the prosecution need the evidence in order to prove the case. So from the defense standpoint, anything that they can chip away at to get evidence out that the judge doesn't hear helps them. And ultimately, it could potentially help them if in fact this case goes to trial. But we can definitely see more fights if this case goes to trial, which most likely it's going to happen because this is a preliminary hearing. And in a preliminary hearing, the standard, the legal standard, the burden of proof is much lower than a criminal case because a criminal case is beyond a reasonable doubt, but this is much lower standard. This is probable cause. That means that someone believes that someone committed a crime and the defendant committed the crime. And ultimately, that will be up to the judge to determine.
Yeah, we'll see what day three has in store later this afternoon. Kelly Hyman, thank you so much for your time this morning, and we'll debrief again soon. Appreciate it. We'll also